Hi guys, this is Charlene with Sweet Pieces by Me, and I have a little paper pumpkin kit. I'm super excited for this one. I just got it in March, and I have no idea what's inside of it. I know they do come out with a little release video right before they get shipped. You can choose to watch it or not. I did not, because I like to do my own little review. So I'm assuming it has something to do with daisies and bees based on this beautiful cover. So I thought I would unbox my paper pumpkin with y'all. And I love my little manicure here. I did it myself. I needed a little self-care. They were looking pretty ragged, as I am an art teacher, and they get so dry. My cuticles were tearing. I have a little cut right here. I was like, I need to do something. So I just did it myself, just a gel polish, cleaned them all up. So they look pretty good. So I'm very happy about that. I just started my spring break. So wherever you are, I hope you are staying warm this winter, almost spring. In Colorado, it is chilly still. But I hope you are staying warm, and maybe you're on spring break right now, like we are. I hope you are, and relaxing. Ooh, okay. I love this honeycomb. I have other bee stuff, and this is gonna go really, really well. It says happy birthday and hello. Super cute. Yes, I love the honeycomb. Came with Lost Lagoon, one of my absolute favorite colors of all time, because I love shades of blue. I love teal, but Lost Lagoon is one of my favorites. All right. Thank you for always being there for me. Love that. Wishing you brighter days ahead. Let's see. There's a big bee right here. So cute. And thank you. And oh, upside down. Sweetest birthday wishes. And there's a Build-A-Bee here, so that's pretty cute. So here's the bee body, and here's the bee wings. So, oh, if you heard that vibration, that was my massage chair. But it just went off. That's funny. You're probably like, what is that? There's a bee body, and there are the wings. Super cute. And then some more honeycomb, which I love. One of these was a free additional set. So sometimes they throw in an extra set of stamps. Sometimes they throw in a whole big sheet of stamps. It kind of just depends. But usually once a year, they do something really nice. Sometimes you can save the tissue paper. I typically do if it's not ripped. This one's got a little bit of a hole in it, so bye-bye. If I reuse tissue paper, I like it to be nice, but sometimes it's nice and you can save it. Oh my gosh. Okay, first of all, if you didn't know, I absolutely love daisies. I love daisies. I think it's such a friendly flower. I probably loved them ever since You've Got Mail, when she said, it's such a friendly flower. But I love Gerbera or Gerbera daisies as well. Some people pronounce it either way. I think it's Gerbera. That's how I pronounce it, but maybe it is Gerbera. But I do love all of the different colors of those daisies. So I absolutely love this. The bees are so cute. Thank you for always being there for me. Enjoy your special day, and sweetest birthday wishes. This is funny because I just made a bee card. I could have just threw it together with this if I would have opened my kit, because I have a fellow teacher who loves bees, and I made her bee card. And I have another another kit. But yeah, if I would have known I had this, I could have just popped it together super quickly. Typically, I do not open the kit if I know I might not use it. We got some foam adhesive strips here, and it looks like some dimensionals and some sticky dots, and some cute envelopes. So let's do it this way, and then I'll just put everything back inside. And if I have the large pad, I don't even open these. I save these for little gifts for my classes. Maybe a little giveaway. Maybe I'll make like a little little kit or a little set. So I don't even open those. So we got 3 envelopes like this with the honeycomb and the bee. Really cute. And it looks like 3 of the daisies and the bees. I really love the decorative envelopes. It just really adds something to the cards. It's so pretty. And then just some daisies. So pretty. My mom would have loved this kit. She loved flowers and all the stamps that had flowers. This is super cute. So this is a base for one of the cards. Oh, and directions are always in here. So detailed colorful instructions and then what the cards should look like. So this one is going to be like this. And I've got 3 of those. And usually when I get my kits, I go ahead and I pop these out right away. If I have a bunch of loose pieces, I just go ahead and put them in a little tiny Ziploc. Or if I keep the box, I just throw them back in the box. And the other card is blue, and then you end up putting like a bunch of daisies on it. That's this card right here. That's really pretty. There's even honeycomb, a little bit of honeycomb sticking out, and a little bee. Super cute. Okay, and I love this card where you pop this out. You don't need this, but if you wanted to save this for something, maybe the background and making a shaker, if you needed a white background, you could do that. Typically, if I don't have a plan for my circles, I just throw them away. I don't know, sometimes my brain doesn't think, and I don't want to save little things like this. My white paper is pretty cheap. You can get 40 sheets for, I think it's $12.50 with Stampin' Up, so I just use that. This is cute. So it's got the honeycomb that's actually a little bit glossy. So that's, I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's really cute. I like that they added that little tidbit. Oh, and this is the back for that. You can't really see it, but it does have a little bit of yellow, tiny bit of yellow. So it looks like that goes with that. This edges look like the deckled dies, which I think they're retired, but that's really pretty. I think I bought those. I have to figure out where I put them. So, very cute. That's that. So, oh yeah, here's the little honeycomb. Ooh, these are fragile. Luckily, they pop out really easily. I don't know if you just saw that, but oh my gosh. These sometimes, they used to be very, very difficult. Sometimes when you had very fragile pieces, but they've gotten so much better at laser cutting these that they do pop out really easy. So I usually pop all these out, get that ready. I make little piles. You can do them like all of, all the honeycombs, then all the card bases, then all of these die cuts. You can do it that way, or you can do it in piles of, this goes with this card, so I'm going to put that in that pile. So then you'll have 3 piles and just work by card, per card. Whatever's easier, whatever. So I like to give a few tips, but that's how when the Stampin' Up! Comes out with the video of how to make these, they do it that way. They do per card. So they'll put, if these honeycombs go with the second card, the blue card, they'll put all of those pieces in one pile. This goes with this first card. I'm not going to make the cards right now. I'm just popping them as I go. Just showing you all the things that you get. They're the bees. Ew, they look like spiders right there a little bit, besides their stripes. Oh, but they're so cute. Definitely looks like a bee. Yeah, very cute. Very lifelike, which is crazy. You have like this little bee on your card. So I got 3 of those. Aw, adorable. Yeah, I definitely would get a little Ziploc for all of these if I did not have my box here. But I have my box, so I'm just gonna pop those in. And so we've got, oops, this one's already, coming out. But that's super pretty. Daisies, little row of daisies. So we have 1, 2, 3 sheets of those. Oops. 3 sheets of all the daisies and the bees. And then we have these little die cuts to stamp on, to stamp the sentiments on. And typically I don't stamp the sentiment that it came with on all of them. I might do a couple if I know I'm gonna need like thinking of you or thank yous. And then I save a lot for birthdays. So, or I leave them blank. I don't put these on, and then I stamp them and put them on when I'm ready to send my cards. So, I hope this video helps you guys see what's included in these kits and how easy these things are to prepare and get going. If you want to subscribe to Paper Pumpkin, just click on the link below in the description box, and please like this video to see more videos. And remember, when I get to 200 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway. It'll be for Stampin' Up! Product, and I don't know, I'll put like a little gift together. It might be a full spool, this is like a tongue twister, a full spool of ribbon, maybe some embellishments, or maybe both. Ribbon and embellishments. I don't know. We'll see when we get there. But these are super cute. If you have not gotten your hands on these are the tiny bee trinkets. They are so stinking cute. And how adorable would they be? See what I did there? On these cards that go with the bees. Super cute. They also have, so these are the bees. They also have the gold butterflies. That would be really cute on these as well. Tiny butterflies. These are the brushed brass butterflies, and they, oops, I'm trying to get where there's light, and they do have that shimmer because they are brass. It would be so cute on these cards. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.